Good morning students, welcome you all to e-learning classes of ALPHORES. In this session we are going to solve problems related to solving equations. Okay, move on to first question, which is for the equation mod x square plus mod x minus 6 is equal to 0, the roots are. Here mod x, first we have to know what is mod x. You know very well mod x is nothing but x is greater than 0, mod x will become x is equal to 0, your answer is x. If x less than 0, mod x will become minus x. This is the definition of modulus of x or absolute value of x. Now move on to our question. Mod x square plus mod x minus 6 is equal to 0, the roots are. Okay, as case 1, mod x means first we have to take x greater than 0. X greater than 0, in this case mod x will become simply x. Now our quadratic equation will become x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, as now minus 3 into 2 as r 3 into minus 2 factors. Here what very clear, x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. X into x square, 3x minus 2x will become x, 3 into minus 2 will become 6. Roots are what? Here x is equal to minus 3 comma 2. But x is positive, no? Our root should be positive. In this case x is equal to 2 is a root. X is equal to 2 is a root, x not equal to minus 3 because x is positive. Now come to second case. If x less than 0, mod x will become what? Minus x. Now our quadratic equation will become as minus x whole square minus x minus x minus 6 is equal to 0, as this is x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0, as factors what minus 3 as plus 2, minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus 3 plus 2 minus x, this is what x minus 3 of x plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to what? Minus 2 comma 3 are roots, but x is negative, no? As our root should be negative, therefore here x is equal to what? Minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 as x not equal to 3. Okay, in this case we got two roots, one x is equal to 2, other is what? X is equal to minus 2. Number of roots 2 comma minus 2, but the roots are, okay, roots are real and their sum is what? Very clear 0. Okay, therefore the roots are real with sum is 0. Roots are real with the sum is 0. One is 2, other is minus 2, their sum is what? 0. Okay, as they will give like this, as roots are real, sum 1, roots are real, sum with 0, roots are non-real, okay, none of the above. As like this they will give options. Now here our answer is what? The roots are real with sum is 0. Students, move on to next question, which is second. The number of real solutions of x square minus 7 times of mod x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, you know case 1, as x greater than 0, mod x will become what? X. In this case your answer is x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. 3 4s are 12, 3 plus 4 7, as x minus 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. In this case x is equal to 3 comma 4. X positive, roots also positive. In this case number of solutions what? 2 here, clear. As come to case 2, x negative, mod x will become minus x. Mod x will become minus x. Now our equation will become minus x whole square. Okay, this is clearly x square minus 7 into minus x, that is what? Minus x plus 12 is equal to 0. This is x square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Here factors are 3 4s are 12, 3 plus 4 7, x plus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3 comma minus 4. Here x is negative, roots also negative. In this case we got 2, here we got 2, therefore number of solutions is equal to what? 4. Here 2, number of solutions is asking the number of real solutions of this equation is what? 4. As students move on to next question, the sum of all real roots of the equation. The sum of all real roots of the equation. Our equation is what? X minus 2 whole square plus modulus of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here also we have mod case 1 mod x minus 2 means x minus 2 is greater than 0, as mod x minus 2 will become x minus 2. Okay, mod x minus 2 will become x minus 2 if x minus 2 is positive. In this case, as x minus 2 whole square plus what? This is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Once you expand, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus x minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now minus 4 plus 4 cancel, as x square minus 3x is equal to 0, as here x is common, x minus 3 is equal to 0, we are getting x is equal to 0, 3. But x minus 2 is always positive. You keep in place of x is equal to 0, 0 minus 2 is is it greater than 0? No. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is one solution. Is one solution here. Okay. Now x not equal to 3. Yes, and clearly x not equal to 0. Okay, if you keep 3 minus 2 is 1 greater than 0. Okay, now comes to case 2. As x minus 2 less than 0, that implies modulus of x minus 2 will become minus of x minus 2, as otherwise 2 minus x. 2 minus x, minus of x minus 2. In this case, our quadratic equation minus of x minus 2, otherwise this is 2 minus x whole square. Okay, plus this is what 2 minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Once you squaring, this is what x square minus 4x plus 4, as this 2 cancel, this is minus x is equal to 0. In this case, x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, as 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 as 5, this is what x minus 1 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 1 comma 4. Okay, here 4 means what? 4 minus 2 is less than 0. No, it is not possible, as keep x is equal to 1 here. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 less than 0. Therefore in this case x is equal to 1 is as one solution. Now what he is asking? The sum of all real roots of this equation. Therefore one root, here we have 3, other root here we have 1. Therefore sum of real roots. Sum of real roots is equal to what? First one is as 3 here, next one is 1, that is 1 plus 3. Your answer is what? 4. Sum of real roots. Here number of real roots 2, but their sum is what? 4. As students move on to next question, which is the number of real roots of. As fourth one, number of real roots of. We have to find a number of real roots. Root x plus root over x minus root over 1 minus x is equal to 1. Okay. Now this root x and that side, as this is equal to what? X minus root over 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus root x. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now as squaring on both sides means this square root is cancel, x minus root over 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus root x whole square. That is what? 1 plus x minus 2 root x, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, in this case x cancel. Now what we got here, minus root over 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus 2 root x. So once again we have to squaring both sides, again squaring on both sides, again squaring on both sides. Now minus will become plus, root over 1 minus x will become 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus 2 root x whole square, means this is what 4x minus 4 root x, 4 root x. Now 1 cancel here. Okay, this is minus x, this is what 4x, bring that side, 4 root x bring this side, this is 4 root x is equal to, this is what 5x. Okay, as again we have to square, otherwise you can cancel 1 root x, therefore 4 is equal to what 5 root x we are getting, root x into root x, root x, root x cancel. Now this is what clear, 4 root x is equal to what, as this is 5x, no, there's root x into root x, 1 root x will cancel, therefore what is root x, root x is equal to 4 by 5, as that implies x is equal to what, 16 by 25. Now this is one of the real solution, as we got only, this is what 16 by 25. Now as root x bring this side, 1 minus root x, once you squaring both side, this square root is cancel, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, here what as x cancel both side, minus root over 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus 2 root x. Again as we have to squaring both side, now 1 minus x is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4 root x. Now 1 cancel, 4 root x bring this side, x bring that side, 4x plus x is 5x. Now x you can write root x into root x, 1 root x will cancel, 4 is equal to 5 root x, root x is equal to what, 4 by 5, x is equal to what, 16 by 25. In this case number of real roots, number of as real roots is equal to only 1. Students, move on to next question. If alpha is a root of 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, as our quadratic equation is 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Alpha is a root of this. Okay, one root is alpha, as other root we have as consider beta. Okay, let one root is alpha, other root we consider is what, beta. As now it is a 4x square plus 2x minus 1, we don't know factors of this. Now we have to use minus b plus or minus. First we have to find x is equal to as what, minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4. A is what, 4 into c is minus 1 by 2 into 4. This is what, minus 2 plus or minus root over minus into minus plus 16 plus 4, 20 by, this is what, 8. Now 4 into 5 to bring outside, minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by, as it is what, 4. We got 2 roots here, as one is what, minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 and minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. Okay, one root is said alpha, let alpha is equal to, you take root 5 minus 1 by 4, other is beta minus of what, root 5 plus 1 by 4. Now as then is asking 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha is, now we have to find 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha is equal to, what is 4 alpha cube, what is alpha here, root 5 minus 1 by 4, root 5 minus 1 by 4, this is very clear, sine 18 degrees, root 5 minus 1 by 4, alpha as is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4, this value is what, sine 18 degrees, sine 18 degrees, therefore alpha is equal to sine 18, here 4 sine cube 18 degrees minus 3 sine 18 degrees. 3 sine 18 degrees. What is this? 4 sine cube theta minus 3 sine theta. Just you take minus common. This is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. What is this formula? You know very well, multiple angles. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is what? Sine 3 theta minus sine 3 theta. 3 into 18 degrees, this is equal to what? Minus sine 54 degrees. Sine 54, you know very well, sine 54 is what? As this is what? Root 5 plus 1 by 4. Root 5 plus 1 by 4. This value is what? Root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is equal into what? Beta. Therefore, it is also a root of quadratic equation 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha is root of 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, as 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha is also root of 4x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Here we have to know alpha is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but sine 18 degrees. Okay. Now, sine 54, you know very well, root 5 plus 1 by 4. As already we got here minus, this is nothing but what? Beta. Beta is also root of this. Therefore, 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha is also root of 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's move on to next question. The number of real solutions of e power sin x. E power sin x minus e power minus sin x is equal to what? 4. Now we have to find number of real solutions. Here it is x means here what? Minus e power as something is, this is nothing but 1 by x. If you consider it is t, it is what? E power minus sin x will become 1 by t. Put e power sin x is equal to t. As that implies it is t, this is what? Minus 1 by t is equal to as 4, because e power minus sin x will become 1 by e power sin x. E power sin x is what? T. Okay, take LCM, t into t square, 4t will become as minus 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. T into t square, this is 4t, bring this side, minus 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to find as roots of this quadratic equation. T is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square 16 minus 4ac means plus 4 by 2a. Now this is equal to 4 plus or minus root 20 by 2, as this is equal to what? 2 plus or minus root 5. 2 plus or minus root 5. But we got here two roots. One is as 2 plus root 5, other is 2 minus root 5. But what is t? As since t is equal to what? E power sin x. E power sin x, but e power sin x is always greater than 0. Okay, t also must be positive. Therefore, 2 plus root 5 is positive, 2 minus root 5 is what? Negative, because root 4 is 2, root 5 is 2 point something, as it is going to negative. Therefore, what is t value here? 2 plus root 5. Therefore, e power sin x is equal to what? 2 plus root 5. Okay, taking both side logarithm, as e power sin x will become log of e power sin x log of e power sin x base e is equal to what? Log of 2 plus root 5 base e. This is equal to what? As log e power sin x will become sin x is equal to log of 2 plus root 5 value is 2 point something, 2 plus 2 point something as 4 point something as base e. Now this log of 4 point something is always what? Greater than 1. As greater than 1, but as we know, sin x is always what? Less than or equal to 1. Therefore, as sin x is always less than or equal to 1. In this case, the number of real solutions, number of real solutions 0. As we know, sin x very clear, you know very well, but this sin x log as 4 point something base e is always greater than 1, sin x greater than 1, but you know very well sin x is always lies between -1 to 1. As here we got sin x greater than 1, that's why there is no as real solutions. In this case, the number of real solutions what? 0. Okay students, move on to next question, which is seventh question. As root 2 whole power x plus root 3 whole power x, root 3 whole power x is equal to root 13 whole power x by 2. Then what is the value of x? As now this is root 2 whole power x, you can write 2 power as 1 by 2 with x. This is what? 2 power x by 2 plus here what? 3 power x by 2 is equal to root 13 whole power x by 2. Okay, divide with root 13 power x by 2. This is 2 power x by 2. Here root 13 power x by 2. It will become 2 by root 13 whole power x by 2 plus this is what? 3 by root 13 whole power x by 2 is equal to what? 1. As now clear, it is in the form of if it is sin theta, it will become cos theta. Okay, once you draw as consider sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to 2 by root 13. Now as this is opposite, this is what? Hypotenuse. What is this? This square minus this square, 13. Okay, now as minus 4, 13 minus 4 will become 9, root 9 will become what? This is clear 3. Now what is cos theta from this? This is adjacent by hypotenuse. This is what? Cos theta is equal to 3 by root 13. If it is sin theta, now it will become what? Cos theta. Therefore I will write this is simply sin theta whole power x by 2. This is what? Cos theta whole power x by 2 is equal to 1. As we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. As now this power will become, therefore that x by 2 will become what? Exactly 2. As this x by 2 is 2, therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to what? 4. The value of x is 4. Okay, yes, because here we have x power, here we have x power, here we have x by 2. No, that's why I wrote root 2 whole power x. So 2 power x by 2 plus 3 power x by 2 is equal to root 13 whole power x by 2. Divide with root 13 whole power x by 2. It will become 2 by root 13 whole power x by 2 plus 3 by root 13 whole power x by 2 is equal to 1. Yes, now here we have to get idea. 2 by root 13 is sin theta. Then what is cos theta? 3 by root 13. Therefore this is sin theta whole power x by 2 plus cos theta whole power x by 2 is equal to 1. When it is 1, the power should be 2. Yes, x by 2 is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. Students, move on to next question. The number of real solutions of sin of e power x is equal to 5 power x plus 5 power minus x. But whatever this sin of something should be as lies between actually -1 to 1, but it is always positive as since sin of e power x is always less than or equal to 1, more than 0, you know very well. Yes, now right side quantity is what? 5 power x plus 5 power minus x. Now these two are positive numbers. When two numbers are positive, as we know that AM arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean. What is arithmetic mean of two numbers? Average 5 power x plus 5 power minus x by 2 is always greater than or equal to root over 5 power x into 5 power minus x. Therefore 5 power x plus 5 power minus x by 2 is greater than or equal to, clear, this is what? 5 power 0, anything power 0 is 1, this is 1. Therefore 5 power x plus 5 power minus x is greater than or equal to 2. Yes, this quantity is more than 2, but this quantity since as a sign of e power x clearly less than or equal to 1. You know very well the maximum value of sin theta is 1, but this is less than or equal to 1. This is what? Greater than or equal to 1. In this case, the number of real solutions always what? 0, because never these two are equal. As therefore the number of real solutions is equal to what? 0. Number of real solutions 0. But when two positive numbers, as always we have to use am is always greater than or equal to gm. Average, this is greater than or equal to root ab. Now it is going to 1. 5 power x plus 5 power minus x greater than or equal to 2, but sign of e power x is always less than or equal to 1. Now left side is less than or equal to 1, right side is greater than or equal to 2. These two never equal, therefore number of solutions what? 0. Students, move on to next question, which is 9th one. Solve 3 power 1 plus x. 3 power 1 plus x plus 3 power 1 minus x is equal to what? 10. Now what is this? 3 into 3 power x plus 3 into 3 power minus x is equal to what? 10. Put is 3 power x is equal to t. Put 3 power x is equal to t. This is what? 3t. This is what? 3 by t, because 1 by 3 power x is equal to what? 10. Cross multiply 3t into t, 3t square minus 10t plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. Yes, we have factors. 3t square minus 9t minus t plus 3 is equal to 0. Just you take 3t common from first two terms, as 3t of t minus 3 minus 1 of t minus 3 is equal to 0. Now as 3t minus 1 into t minus 3 is equal to 0. Product of two factors 0, either this 0 or that 0. Therefore t is equal to what? 1 by 3 or 3. 1 by 3 or 3. Okay. What is t here? 3 power x. Okay. As t is equal to what? 1 by 3. What is t? 3 power x is equal to 3 power minus 1. Here x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Here t is equal to 3. What is t? 3 power x is equal to what? 3 power 1. Here x is equal to what? 1. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 comma 1 are solutions of this equation. Okay students, move on to next question, which is 10th one. If 4 power x minus 1 minus 3 times into 2 power x minus 1 as plus 2 is equal to 0. In this case we have to find the solutions of x. Yes, here 2 power x minus 1 is there. Here also we have to construct 2 power x minus 1. What is this? You can write 2 power x minus 1 whole square, we can write minus 3 into 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. A power m whole power n, a power m into n, 2 power 2 into x minus 1. What is that? 2 square whole power x minus 1. Both are same. Okay. Now put 2 power x minus 1 is equal to t. Okay, it will become t square minus 3t plus 2 is equal to 0. Now as 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, clear. Here t minus 1 into t minus 2 is equal to 0. Here t is equal to either 1 or 2. Okay, as t is equal to 1 comma 2. Now what is case 1? What is actually t? T is what? T is equal to 1 to as t as nothing but 2 power x minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 we can write 2 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. Therefore x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 here. Whereas same powers equal. Now what is t? Here t is equal to 2. T is actually 2 power x minus 1 is equal to 2 power 1. X minus 1 is equal to 1. Here x is equal to what? 2. Therefore here x is equal to what? 1 comma 2 are solutions of this equation. Okay students, move on to our next question. The number of real roots of as which is 11th one, it is in the form of 7 plus 4 root 3 whole power mod x minus 8 plus 7 minus 4 root 3 whole power mod x minus 8 is equal to 14. As in this case we have to find a number of real roots. Okay, now clearly it is in the form of a power x plus this is what 1 by a whole power x. This is a power x, this is what 1 by a whole power x is equal to a plus 1 by a plus 1 by a. Okay, what is a here? 7 plus 4 root 3. What is 1 by a? Is very clear, 7 minus 4 root 3 is equal to what? A plus 1 by a. 7 plus 4 root 3 plus what? 7 minus 4 root 3. 4 root 3, 4 root 3 cancel. 7 plus 7 will become 14. Okay, our question in the form of a power x plus 1 by a whole power x is equal to a plus 1 by a. In this case always x is equal to plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1. If it is 1, okay, a power 1, this is what 1 by a. If it is minus 1, a power minus 1 will become 1 by a. 1 by a whole power minus 1 will become a. Definitely these two are equal. When these two are equal, clearly x is equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore our question in the form of a power x plus 1 by a whole power x is equal to a plus 1 by a. Now what is x? Therefore x is nothing but mod x minus 8 is equal to plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1. Therefore mod x is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. This is what? Plus 8. Once you take positive, as that is what 1 plus 8 is 9, and you take minus 1 plus 8 is what? Clearly 7. Clearly 7. Therefore mod x is equal to 9 as x is equal to plus or minus 9. Plus or minus 9. Here what? Mod x is equal to 7, that implies x is equal to plus or minus 7. Now the question, number of real roots. Number of real roots is equal to what? 4 here. Okay, plus 9 minus 9, here plus 7 minus 7. In this case the number of real roots is what? 4. Very clear. This question in the form of a power x plus 1 by a whole power x is equal to a plus 1 by a. This x will become plus or minus 1. In this case the number of real roots are what? 4. Students, move on to next question, which is 12th. As what is our quadratic equation? 7 plus 4 root 3 whole power x square minus 8 plus 7 minus 4 root 3 whole power x square minus 8 is equal to 14. Then x is equal to is asking. Okay, same question, it is in the form of a power x plus 1 by a whole power x is equal to what? A plus 1 by a. That implies what is x is equal? Plus or minus 7. Here we have as therefore here what x? X is nothing but x square minus 8 is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, yes, 1 is what? X square minus 8 is equal to 1. X square is equal to 9. X is equal to plus or minus 3. Here what? X square minus 8 is equal to minus 1. X square is equal to 7. X is equal to plus or minus root 7. Therefore the values of x are plus or minus root 3 comma plus or minus root 7.